shake and shake it in. Go, 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 go. No, 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 no.
Oh my god.
Devour. Woohoo! Now she's eating 5.
Chew with your mouth closed.
Now she's eating 5.
Number 4.
And she shakes her head every time she tries to get it down further.
No, no, no. All right, come on, y'all. Now you eat.
Yeah, she's probably pretty full. I bet she gets some water. I guess she's just gonna sit there.
She's really pretty.
Isn't she gorgeous?
Yeah. Have y'all been feeding her?
Yeah. This
Wow.
fourth one. After the first one, she flew over there and she got some water.
Wow, she's really gorgeous. Do y'all come here a lot?
No, we were here about, I don't know, 7, 8 years ago actually.
Really?
One
Wow.
time, and then we came out here and just, the boys were skating at the skate park.
Really?
And then we decided to come by the lake, and then we just kind of on a whim came in.
Shake it off this piece.
She eat another one?
No.
Yeah, I've been coming here for a while now.
Have you?
Yeah, I'm 16. I've been coming here. My dad, we found out about this place not too long ago, and I've been fishing. I love fishing now. Yeah, it's been fun fishing.
Have you ever seen her eat a fish before?
No.
No?
Yeah, that's why I just taped her. I'm gonna put it on YouTube.